Mmm. Mmm. We're gonna be making moussaka. Yes, moussaka. So, where's my eggplant? I want to do this part right now because this takes a while. All right. All right, now I need salt. This process, we're gonna sweat the eggplant. If you've watched Secret Sauce before, we've done this before. So I'm gonna put it over there in the colander. Basically, you layer it, layer, salt, repeat. So that usually takes like, I don't know, 20, 30 minutes. I'm going to get some parsley. I feel like the stems of parsley are way less bitter than cilantro. I leave way more stems in this than I do cilantro. Ooh, this knife. Ooh, this knife is fast. Ooh. Ooh, fresh herbs. Ooh, fresh herbs. I'm looking for my meat. Where's my meat? Oh, there it is. Ground beef. Let's salt it. And now onions, red onion, and garlic. So basically we just sauteed this until the onions are translucent. I actually prefer canned tomatoes, especially for a dish like this that's getting baked, but you can use fresh tomatoes. I'm gonna use canned though. And some dry white wine. We added tomato, so I'm adding salt. At what age did you become independent? I don't think there's an easy answer to that. But I got my first job when I was 12. I, by choice, put myself in homeschooling so I could finish school earlier. Tried to test out of high school and go straight to college when I was 14, but that got shut down. So graduated at 17. I didn't stay in homeschooling that long though. I was already a year ahead. I'd already skipped a grade. I was under challenged at school and I hated it and I was always bored. So I wanted to get the hell out and go straight into college. I have some sad news about the cheese. I could not find the correct cheese. It calls for cefalotore cheese. Couldn't find it here. So I looked online and it said to substitute to use another hard cheese. So it said something like pecorino. So I already know it's not going to be the completely right flavor profile, but I still think it's gonna taste delicious. Like pecorino is hard, you know? I hate when I can't find exactly the specific thing. $75, did I say? I'm talking to myself. 75 grams. And a little extra cheese never hurt anybody. All right, what's next? Flour. Yeah, no, 20 grams. It's nothing. How much is 20 grams of flour? Not a lot. Whoop. Butter, 20. Butter, flour, cheese. What else? Milk. 2 egg yolks and a whole egg. Egg yolk, 1. Then 2 egg whites. Check it out. Ridiculous. It's kind of slow. This looks so gross. There it goes. Okay. All right. Wait a sec. What did I say? 2 egg whites, 2 yolks plus 1. Oh, perfect. Okay. Breadcrumbs. Okay. Egg whites, parsley. So we wanted to let that cool, and now I can understand why. Because egg whites are going inside. You don't want to cook them, I'm guessing. You don't want it to cook in this pan. Okay, now olive oil. All right, so we already did this earlier. These have been cooked and we're gonna layer it. I love eggplant. Let's do like this and like this. Yeah. Okay. I feel like there was too much meat, but I think we're good. It smells good. Now we're on to the next part, which is the sauce. This reminds me of mac and cheese because of the ingredients. Butter, flour, milk, low heat. Butter, flour, milk, low heat, all at the same time. I feel like the flour should come slowly. All right, I'm gonna trust myself, and I didn't add the flour all at once. It said to add all this stuff. I'm not doing that. I'm doing it a little bit at a time. I'm so glad I trusted myself with that flour. Cheese. So cheesy. Cool for 5 minutes. Egg yolk and whole egg. While that cools, all right, 3 minutes. That's it. This is 1 egg. I beat it. I need half of it. That looks like about half. And 1 egg yolk. Mix it. Okay, I don't know about this. And now you pour it on top. Ooh, what? Interesting. It's gonna make it, I think the egg is gonna make it extra crispy. Spread it. Spread it. Here we go. Oh, this extra cheese was necessary. It was definitely necessary. Okay.
12 o'clock midnight.
Ooh, yes. Ooh, it's crispy. Delicious. Oh, this is good. This is straight comfort food right here. Oh my goodness. This is good. This is freaking delicious. Have some, chat. Have some. I know I said 2 bites. I meant those 2 little squares. This was so delicious. I'm really glad we did this yesterday and today. I will be streaming tomorrow. Night Watch. Night Watch is opening up. If you guys don't know what Night Watch is and you're subbed, Music Room is open every single night. Check out the Night Watch. All right, everybody. That's it. I'm dead. I'm out. I'm so tired. Thanks for hanging out. Bye. Good night. Or good day. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a heart and subscribe to my channel, or the squirrel will get you.
Goodbye.